Just taking a look at the West Indians venturing into this year's Indian Premier League, we see Alzari Joseph going for $1.3 million US, Ravman Powell, $892,000 US. We see Shea Hope, Shervain Rutherford, also the likes of Andre Russell, Nicholas Pooran, Shimran Hetmar, Sunil Narine, Kyle Mayers, Romario Shepherd, all retained their status in the league. And just looking at the kind of money that some of these West Indians are making in the IPL, how can West Indies cricket compete with this kind of monetary tsunami? How do we get a generation of cricketers who are commanding hundreds of thousands, in some cases millions of US dollars on the open franchise market? How we get these players to prioritize the peanuts paying West Indies cricket? That is like asking a dog upon seeing a bone. Instead of going for the bone, the dog must run left the bone and go drink a pan of water. The dog is going to get that bone. When he don't bite up the bone, then he might lap up a few laps of the water. That right there is the state of West Indies cricket, explained by the dog and the ball.
It's the